Let's be honest. Making an AI film used to feel like gambling. You write a perfect prompt, pray to the AI gods, and get a character whose face changes every 5 seconds, or a 4-second clip that ruins your pacing. Forget everything you know about AI video limitations. The milestone is here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how Pippit Story Studio powered by Seedance 2.5 lets you turn a simple story idea into a polished, cinematic production using nothing more than your laptop. If you want to follow the same workflow, you'll find the link in the description below. After creating your account, open Story Studio from the dashboard, where the entire production process takes place. Every project begins with a story. Simply upload your own script or paste it directly into Story Studio. If you're still developing your idea, you can also use the built-in writing assistant to quickly create a complete script and move straight into production. Once your script is ready, the next step is organizing everything inside the Story Studio canvas, still using traditional dialog boxes to generate messy materials. Rather than creating disconnected video clips, the canvas gives you a clear workspace where you can arrange scenes, manage story progression, and keep your production structured from beginning to end. To achieve the highest image quality, generate your characters and environments using Nano Banana Pro. These assets can then be placed inside the canvas, making it easy to use the same characters and locations throughout your project while maintaining a consistent visual style. Before generating your scenes, choose the artistic direction that best matches your story. Whether you're aiming for realistic live action, stylized animation, cinematic suspense, horror, retro aesthetics, or futuristic science fiction, Story Studio gives you plenty of creative flexibility. You can also select the aspect ratio that best fits YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Shorts. This time, I will choose retro Hollywood style for my TikTok videos, and let's see what we got here. Now, it is time to film your video. One of the most impressive improvements in Seedance 2.5 is its ability to generate cinematic sequences lasting up to 30 seconds in a single render. Instead of stitching together multiple short clips, you can create longer scenes with smoother camera movement, natural dialogue, and uninterrupted storytelling. The result feels much closer to a professionally produced film. If you'd like to refine the results, you can review each generated scene.
Jesus. I got you. I got you. Come on, Alex.
Oh shit. Stay calm.
Oh, Mr. Velvet. Oh, Mr. Belvedere. I got you.
Move.
I'm afraid I can't do that.
The ammunition is display only. Did you really think?
She's just a country bumpered in silk, thinking she's nobility.
She's just a country girl running around this room like a headless chicken.
Make adjustments where necessary and regenerate specific shots before finalizing your project. This gives you a flexible production workflow while keeping everything organized inside one workspace. If you'd like to experience the workflow yourself, check out the link in the description below and start creating your own cinematic AI projects. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI content creation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.